On today's video, we are going to be cleaning out all of our kitchen cabinets, wiping down, organizing it, and putting it back. Start with all of these cabinets. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything. I mostly have my bowls. Serving bowls, mixing bowls, chip bowls, party platter trays on this side. Little soy sauce, dipping sauce, ceramic containers. Love these ceramic creme brulee dishes. Acacia wood fruit bowls. Okay. So I'll start off with the larger ones here and go up. With my smaller ones. So that way when I close it, that looks very aesthetic. Larger little chip bowl. Better? Main dishes, my bowls. These are actually very pretty. These are like a very textured type of bowl. I like these. I was getting a lot of plates and a lot of bowls. We are a family of 6, but this is a lot. But it's fine. I always have people coming over, so. These are plastic. These are nice. They look like glass, but they're plastic. They're good for the kids. Nice little plate organizer. Okay. This one's very nice. This one was a souvenir gift from Italy. When my sister-in-law went, she brought it back. It's a very nice little souvenir. Still one of my favorites. I just don't use it anymore because it's shattered. but this one was from Disney World. And it's super cute. Super cute, but it fell and broke. Organize. Okay, it's have to be down here. So these are my Lululemon ones. White. Here, so this one back. Okay. I don't know where the tops are to these. I'm just gonna this one is glass, so I'm gonna work in sections. They have like ribs and then also the little bullets, the little spheres on them. Okay, this one will be my holiday snack bar, hot chocolate bar, candy bar, restock. I'm excited for that during the holidays. This will be my tea bar. Well, I'm growing my tea collection. Thank you for being with me as I organize my kitchen cabinets and drawers. I hope this video inspired you, motivated you to organize your drawers, what's behind the cabinets that people cannot see. Because people might not be able to see it, but you can see it. And it is definitely a big peace of mind when you know even what people cannot see is clean and good. So until my next one, see you then.